if you notice, I had already been write you on your messenger. So how do you never read my messages? Okay? I know for a fact that things will never be the same between us anymore. But the reason why I'm calling is to say, right now, I see who are the realest people on social media compared to all the fake people on social media. Oh. And maintenant, dans le monde qui est campé ensemble avec them, do sick.
You said I never. You said you said I never stand with you. You said what? What are?
Listen. I'm like I tell you. You could record me. I don't give a fuck. Somebody I'm dealing.
Record you for what?
No, I'm not just do that. Okay. From the bottom of my heart, I apologize for everything that I said to you and everything that I said about you. I'm not calling to first be friends.
Well, everything you said about me, you said them to thousands of people. Why are you calling my phone to apologize? And this is not the first time you apologize to me, Mannie.
Listen, oh my gosh, you're not understanding.
No, I don't. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Because at the same time, you did hurt me too, Blondedy.
You know what? You know what, Mannie? If I hurt you, listen, Mannie, if I hurt you, let it be. Be it. I don't care for your apology. I don't care you realize now who was right or wrong. I don't care what it is, Mannie. An apology would have been accepted from you if you had a problem with me and dealing with me as a friend, as I take you as my friend. You were my friend. I would have everybody else. You were my friend. And you are the one that did the most dirtiest, the shadiest stuff to me. You were my friend. Mannie, I would have everybody else. I would have all of them that hurt me. You, Manuela Dodoje, you were my friend. You know why you were my friend? Because I made you my friend. I considered you a friend. I wanted you as a friend. You do not apologize to me for the things you put me through. You do not apologize to me for loving you, because all I've done was loving you for who you are. That's all I did that was wrong to you. I didn't do anything else that was wrong to you. You did me wrong in so many levels. You can't no apology can undo the damage that you've done, Mannie. I don't need an apology from you. Why would I put fire in your office?
Okay.
Put fire in your office for what?
About these voodoo shit and all that nonsense.
But Mannie, let me tell you something. Why would I? I live in New Jersey. How can I set up your office on fire? And then let's get something straight. We did have a conversation about that. When you called me, ou dim, oh, sak fem te fe live n'tal jouo, et parce que ou te dim, ou te voye voodoo vin mette na office mwen. Mannie, remember ki se mam te fe jou sa? Njou Mannie, si mte mette du feu na office ou, kay sa m fek so t'achete a, c'est pour le boule avec ma tout les deux petites mwen la donne. Et pas ça me dit ou? That's what I said to you that day upon live ou te fin fait ou te jure bien jure. M'dou Mannie, pour m'ta prendre moi même j'aime bien voir pour t'a set up business ou on fire. M'di c'est pour kay ça me fait acheter à la Mannie, c'est pour le prendre du feu. But Mannie si m'pas set up office ou on fire, c'est pour tout ça faire compte. Et pas ça me dit ou? C'est ça me dit ou? Which mother, now tell me, which mother k'ap font serment comme ça sous petite li pour just to please you? You were my friend and I needed your trust. I needed you to stand with me. You pick a side. You stand on the side. Yes, you did.
I did not pick a side. No, I did not. That's the part where you messed up at. I went to Haiti before everybody. When I went to Haiti to get fucked. Okay? They were so happy to be there. So ever since during that time when I was in Haiti, you thought that I'm clean with people. Stuff that you discuss with me, I never discuss them with Florence. Stuff that Florence discussed with me, I never discuss them with you. Okay, you in your head thought that, okay, I'm in this.
No, this is one thing I don't do. I don't go by my head. I don't go by the things.
You and her to hash it out and keep it moving.
Let me tell you, Mannie. No, I don't go in my head. I go by what you go. I go by what you go on Facebook and said about me. These are the things you said about me.
Exactly. People on Facebook those are the same motherfuckers who were telling me shit that you said about my office. And never can even cut this on the living past there of things that you said also. Those shit happened.
What is it that I say, Mannie? Do I ever come out with my mouth? You know what? I love my papa. You're dim Udi. But what proof do you guys have? You guys claim Mannie, you're not dumb. You're not dumb, and I know that about you, Mannie. You